to please leave the first 3 seats of the middle row. The seats reserved over there. Since the reserved seats are over there, don't sit on the reserved seat. Try to shift to the next row.
This morning to one of our presenter, I'm
Mr. John Ronkis.
Happy to all on behalf of the Punjabi Nadu all on the dais today.
Hello.
I welcome the legend of our school, Honorable Nikhil, who is recognized by one of her knowledge and wisdom. She is no other than our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Ajita Ajit Kumar Pillai ma'am, to come on the dais and welcome our today's guest. I welcome Honorable Srinivas Venkatpati Kondi sir, Vice President of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha Solapur, Honorable Mallikarjun Sargam sir, Joint Secretary of the Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha Solapur, Honorable Mr. Govardhan Kamcham sir, Treasurer of the Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha Solapur, Honorable Mr. Ramdas Ipakayal sir, Trustee of the Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha Solapur, Honorable Srinivas Katam sir, President of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha Solapur, Honorable Mr. Nilesh Sargam sir, Trustee of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha Solapur, Honorable Mrs. Vidya Mishra, ma'am, welcome ma'am. Honorable Mr. Ganesh Narayan Gujjar sir, and Honorable Srinivas Katam sir, Trustee of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha Solapur. We also have Datta Sriram sir along with us. Good morning sir. Sridhar Chittiar sir also is always with us. Good morning sir. I request ma'am to come up and give us a warm welcome speech on this occasion.
All distinguished guests on the line, respected parents, esteemed faculties, school management committee, school captains, and my wonderful students. A warm greetings to all of you and a fabulous good morning. I have a special privilege and pride to stand in front of all of you to speak about the achievements of my students last year and as well as this year up to now. Last year's SSC result was 99%. As the school holds 100% result every year. Last year one boy who didn't attend the schools had failed. Rest all the students, those who attended the school, they have all passed and joined the college for higher studies. Let me speak more about the children of the school. This occasion is so for that I think because many of the parents are primary section first of all. All the parents are there today. 23rd December, the first gathering, annual gathering for standard 5th to 8th standard and pre-primary. It had been inaugurated. That is why there is no inauguration today. Already the program is inaugurated on 23rd. There was prize distribution or academic prizes had been distributed on the same day. Today only we have to see the program and enjoy with us. Many of the students, whenever they participated in inter-school competitions means outside the school, wherever they went for dance, music, even for song, dance, and for speech competition, and for sports competition as well as, they have secured always the first prizes. Their bag and the prizes are returned to school. Very proud to say, share with this all information in front of all of you, dear parents. So many students, Bharatanatyam, government certified courses, they got special Yoga certificate as well as all they have passed the examination. And Tabla and violin, same cases, many of them passed the government certified courses with the special yoga and many of them got distinction marks also in the same. And sports prizes in time, I invited all of you in the newspapers, cuttings and all. Sports, we couldn't take much practices this year because of the unavailability of the school ground. Construction work is going on. Full ground is not available. That is why there is a little problem for sports practice. Rest all the fields, the students are excellent. They are doing everything, not only academic way, everywhere they are excellent and they are scoring so much. Records or achievements for the school and making the school glorify and soul of the society. And one more special thing to share with you that all of you are watching that school building is coming up. New building, large building is coming up with large classrooms. So I am running out of my words to describe about the same thing. On behalf of all parents and all my students, going to be complete by the month of May. And next year we will have a good, beautiful building for the better education of our students. And today, the duty imposed on me to welcome everybody, all of you who are present here to this function. I would like to welcome Advocate Srinivas Kyatham sir, always stands with us in all the ups and downs of our school. He is not only an advocate, also an educator, I can say. His suggestions are always benefit our school. On behalf of all the parents and students, I would offer a hearty and warm welcome to Srinivas Kondi sir, Professor Srinivas Kondi sir to this function. Next, I would like to welcome Secretary Professor Sanstha sir is not here to welcome him, but sir's better half is here, Mrs. Go ma'am. So on behalf of everybody, I would like to offer a happy and proud welcome to Mrs. Go ma'am to this function. By Bob sir, Secretary Professor Sanstha. And next I would like to offer welcome to Professor Srinivas Kondi sir. Sir also saying whatever I spoke about Advocate Kyatham sir is equal to same person sir, both are equal. Helps me a lot of in our academic work. I offer on behalf of all my students and parents a hearty and proud welcome to Professor Srinivas Kondi sir to this function. Next I would like to welcome Govardhan Kamdam sir, is an ex-student of our school. Very happy to welcome sir. I think this is the first time I will be with sir, and I expect his contribution will make me to run the school more smoothly. I offer a hearty and warm welcome to sir this function. And next my welcome goes to Malikarjun Sarkar sir, Joint Secretary, Padmasari Shanstha Solarpur. Sir's son, Dinesh Sarkar sir also is here, Trustee Padmasari Shanstha. Because of the greatness of mind, CBSE school became a successful, it came to dream, it was a dream, it came to establish, and Dinesh Sarkar sir and Malikarjun Sarkar sir is the donor of our new CBSE Central School. So I proudly welcome both of them to this function. Next, I would like to welcome Ramdas Narsaya Ipakaya sir, Srinivas Ambaji Kyatham sir, Ganesh Gujjar sir, Sridhar Chittiar sir, and from Sriram family, we have a special guest is there, Detta Sriram sir, on behalf of everybody, I offer welcome to this all members to our function. And sir, get up sir. Srinivas Gatam sir. Srinivas Ipakaya sir, shelter name sir. Well, extremely sorry if I dropped anybody's name. And School Management Committee President Praveen Kamble sir. Welcome to school captains and welcome respected parents, my colleagues. And I offer a hearty and warm welcome to one and all everybody, and wish all of you a very happy new year. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving to the next phase of the program, I invite all the guests, principal and vice principal sir, to come forward to offer puja and garland Mother Saraswati. Please sir.
Sir. Nilesh. దగ్గర దగ్గర
దగ్గర ఆవాస ఓకే
ఓకే ఓకే
पडतो द्या आम्हाला इकडे पण कट्टू जरा
కూడా లైట్ పెట్టండు ఓన్లీ అయింది ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం
ఏమైంది
కూడా లైట్ పెట్టి ఇక్కడ ఓవర్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ అండర్ అవుతుంది
సార్ వెనక జరగా అందరు వస్తారు జరుగు గణేష్ అన్న జర వెనక జరు గణేష్ అన్న జర వెనక అందరు వస్తారు సార్ జర వెనక జరు
I request Honorable Mrs. Vidya Darshit Gop ma'am to felicitate our culture department. First I call Mr. Dujon sir to receive a token of appreciation. Please sir. Next I call Mrs. Shravani Konda teacher. Last but not the least, I call Mrs. Pasika Manishan teacher to receive Thank you everyone. Thank you sir. Please take your seats.
Good morning to all of you. Today is the second day of the annual gathering function of our DR Siddhamani school. It is a unit of our Padmashan Shiksha Samstha. The chief guest of today's program, the Honorable Secretary Sri Dasarath Gop, who is whole and soul. Our second half, Miss Vidya. The name is only Vidya, that is Saraswati. सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे नाव कसं आहे विद्यामध्ये काय सरस्वती बरोबर आहे ना मला हे आत्ता लक्षात आलं दशरथ गोप साहेब इतका प्रेरणा कसं आहे घरातच सरस्वती आहे ते विद्या घरातच आहे म्हणून त्याला इतका प्रेरणा म्हणजे इन्स्पिरेशन पण आलेलं आहे म्हणून मॅडमला या ठिकाणी आलेले तुझ्यासाठी मी मनापासून स्वागत करतो तुम्ही असंच संस्थेमध्ये देखील सहभाग करा म्हणजे अजून आमच्या संस्थेची प्रगती होईल हे अपेक्षा करतो जसं निलेश सरांनी आपल्या संस्थेला डोनेशन दिले ते आठवते आपल्याला हे ऐतिहासिक नोंद आहे इट इज हिस्टॉरिकल इव्हेंट इन अवर सोसायटी ऑफ अवर पद्मश्री संस्था हे डोनेट अप टू 1 crore कोणी इमॅजिन करेल का संस्थेची प्रगती इट इज लाईक ए बीच बर्ड इट इज फ्लाइंग टू ए स्काय आणि त्याला प्रत्येकाचे पाऊल म्हणजे इथं उपस्थित असलेले सगळे पेरेंट्स teachers, honorable teachers, children, and your principal ma'am, who is a dynamic principal in our administration. या शिक्षकांमध्ये प्रेरणी आहे, विद्यार्थ्यांना लाटे आहे आणि आमच्या संस्थेसाठी ते विजन आहे. त्यांच्या विजनामुळे आम्ही CSD स्कूल निर्माण करू शकलो. स्वप्न असतं ते स्वप्न पूर्ण करायचं कोणत्या पाठिंबा असायला पाहिजे. आम्ही करतो जसं राईट करायचं काय करायला, पण त्याला कोणतरी प्रेरणा द्यायला पाहिजे. ते प्रेरणा देणारे मॅडम पिल्या मॅडम आहे. थँक्यू मॅडम, तुम्ही इतकं चांगलं युथ चालवता आणि पूर्ण क्षेत्राची मॅडम तयार पाहिजे. या कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष आमचे ॲडव्होकेट श्रीनिवास कॅडम सर, जॉईंट सेक्रेटरी श्री मल्लिकार्जुन सरगम सर, तहसीलदार श्री गोवर्धन पंतम सर आणि इथं उपस्थित गणेश गुप्ता आणि रामदास सिद्धपाय, श्रीनिवास गड्डम, काही स्कूल काही इंदापूर आहे. आम्ही आपलं सेकंड हाफ म्हणून आहे आपलं शिक्षकाचं हे बोगल्यानंतर त्याचं नाव आहे, शिक्षकाचं नाव आहे. तर ते संस्थेचं पूर्ण 24 तास 24/7 इतकं काम करत असतात. त्यांनाही फार या ठिकाणी कौतुक करूया. आणि आपल्या DRCMचे डोनर, ज्या DRCMचे नावाने आपण इथं शिक्षण घेतो, त्या डोनरचं देखील या ठिकाणी मी स्वागत करतो. श्रीनिवास शिक्षण साहेब, PTA मेंबर कांबळे साहेब आणि जे PTA मेंबर उपस्थित आहेत सगळ्यांना या ठिकाणी स्वागत करू. आणि आजचं म्हणजे टुडे वी आर लर्निंग फॉर टुमॉरो विजन, मेडिटेशन इम्प्रूव्ह युअर मेमरी इम्प्रूव्ह युअर मार्क्स. हा मोटिवेशन मॅडम तुम्ही इम्प्रूव्ह करा. या 7वी ते 10वी विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये मेडिटेशनचं स्कीम चालू करा. दॅट विल इम्प्रूव्ह युअर मेमरी लेवल ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स. थँक्यू फॉर कॉलिंग मी ऑन दिस अपोजन. या ठिकाणी मला बोलवल्याबद्दल मी आपल्या सर्वांचा, प्राध्यापकांचं, शिक्षकांचं आणि उपस्थित सर्वांचा मी मनापासून आभार मानतो आणि देऊ शकतो.
सेकेंड स्पीच है, पहले स्पीच वेलकम स्पीच था. अभी 1-2 मिनट में सबका लेना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि पेरेंट्स मीटिंग बोला है तो 50% पेरेंट्स नहीं आता. हाँ, सब लोग अपने बच्चों को प्रोग्राम देखने के लिए आए सुबह. हमारा स्कूल पहले से ज़्यादा अभी लार्ज बन गया है. 1500 स्टूडेंट्स हैं अभी स्कूल में. 1500 स्टूडेंट्स, 1000 स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स है तो प्रिंसिपल रिपोर्ट कार्ड पर साइन नहीं करते, स्टाफ मारता है. स्टाफ मारते ऑफिस लोग स्टाफ मार के छोड़ते हैं. पर 1500 स्टूडेंट्स की रिपोर्ट कार्ड, हर एक रिपोर्ट कार्ड दिन रात बैठ के मैं उसका वेरीफाई करके उन बच्चों का हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, ग्रेड क्या है, बच्चों को फोटो देखता है कि कौन सा बच्चे कौन सा क्लास का है, सभी देखकर हर एक बच्चों का एकेडमिक ग्रेड्स, नॉट ओनली उनका जो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स है क्या, हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स है, सभी देखकर मैं साइन करती है. मुझे एक रिपोर्ट में साइन करने के लिए मिनिमम 5 मिनट चाहिए. रीजनल रिपोर्ट आपके साथ 5 मिनट हो गए. मुझे बोल सकता है स्कूल की बच्चों में 50% बच्चे हेल्दी है, बच्चों का ग्रेड भी अच्छा है, सबको A1 और A2 ग्रेड है. जो बच्चे B और C ग्रेड पर, C ग्रेड ऐसा ज्यादा नहीं रहता, हर क्लास में 1 और 2 बच्चों को C ग्रेड 1-2 सब्जेक्ट में आता है. पूरा C ग्रेड मिलने वाला हमारे स्कूल में नहीं है. सो जो बच्चा है जो पढ़ाई में थोड़ा सेकेंड स्टेप पर जाता है, ऐसे बच्चों का प्रॉब्लम हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है. मैं पर्टिकुलरली वो नोटिस किया है. रिसेंटली हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप, ब्लड चेकअप कैंप भी स्कूल में किया है, ब्लड का काउंट देखने के लिए. सो आपको मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, आप देखते हैं उसमें हाइट एंड वेट. टीचर्स रिमार्क किया है हाइट एंड वेट लेस देन द रिक्वायर्ड लेवल. जब जो वेट है 5 kg का ज्यादा कम होता है तभी वो रिमार्क लिखता है. 2-3 kg डिफरेंस में रिमार्क नहीं लिखता. हमने जो रिपोर्ट कार्ड पर है हाइट एंड वेट, हाइट भी कम हो रही, वेट भी कम हो रहे, वो एक ऐसा सिचुएशन है. वो सिचुएशन में बच्चे बड़ा हुआ तो उनको कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. मेंटली और फिजिकल दोनों ग्रोथ बच्चों को होने के लिए फिजिकल हेल्थ फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसके लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों की हेल्थ पर आप लोग ध्यान देना. इसलिए सेकेंड स्पीच लेके हिंदी में बात करने के लिए मैं आप लोगों को सामने आ गया है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा हरे सब्जी का इस्तेमाल घर में करने का, और ब्रेकफास्ट कभी भी ब्रेकफास्ट के बिना बच्चों को स्कूल में हम नहीं भेजना चाहिए. दिन में एक मिनिमम 10 बच्चा ऑफिस में आता है, छाती दुख रहे, चेस्ट दुख रहे बोल के, बिकॉज ऑफ गैस प्रॉब्लम से. हमें डर लगता है छाती क्यों दुखता है बच्चों का. सो थोड़ा आप लोग सुबह का खाना कभी भी स्किप नहीं करना चाहिए. ब्रेकफास्ट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट, वो आप लोग ध्यान रखना. बाकी सभी टाइम पर उनको खाना खिलाने की कोशिश करना. इतना एक ही बात है, मैंने आपको बोली मैं 1500
occasion.
First of all, a very good morning to one and all, respected dignitaries, chief guests, and our respected principal ma'am, hardworking vice principal sir, all the teachers and my dear friends. I am Aryan Sunil Trimal, the school captain. I am very honored that I have got a chance to speak in front of you all. First of all, I would like to praise our institution, Padmasali Shikshan Sanstha, a linguistic institution. We all know that education is a step that molds a normal and common boy or person into a successful person, and our Sanstha makes it. Sanstha has various schools like Burla, Kuchar, our DR, a convent school, and also a CBSE pattern school, that is Matoshri Ashadai school. The Sanstha makes very well work. It supports all the schools, and I am very thankful for that. Next, I would like to speak about our school, DR Shriram English Medium School, the school where I learned, the school where I spent my 12 years, the school where I complete my school life. I am thankful for all the teachers who molded me and my friends well, who inspired us, who taught us not only the textual things but also the life ethics and various things. And I would like to thank you my principal ma'am, thank you ma'am, for making us for putting us in discipline and also being strict with us. This strictness was like an thorn to its flower, but it made us rose today. And also my hardworking teachers, who not only taught us in class, but loved us, helped us in everything. And my all the friends who had made my this all 2 years memorable. I have seen various schools who just teach, but our school is like a family. It has a unity in teachers, unity in students. It has various ethics, out of school, inside school. And also I can say that our Sanstha is a land for our school. Our principal ma'am is a roof who saved us by all the sunlight, rains and climatic weathers. Our teachers are the strong pillars of the school who makes it stable, and we all students are taking share of it. By these few words, thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.
Nidhi Kolhapure, school captain, to share her thoughts on this occasion. Come forward.
A wonderful morning to everyone. Esteemed trustee members, honored members of Padmasali Shikshan Sanstha, renowned principal ma'am, respected vice principal sir, hardworking teachers, supportive parents, and all my dear friends. I am Nidhi Kolhapure, school captain of DR Shriram English Medium School. I am deeply honored to stand in front of you as a school captain and express my gratitude to everyone who has made this year so special. I would first like to thank our principal ma'am and hardworking teachers who are
to speak on this occasion. To all respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. So, I am the ex-student of the school Rasika Iravati. I am going to share my thoughts about my school life experience. When my first day of school, I felt like, yeah, what this school is just a boring. But after many days, many years, I studied in this school, I feel like I should never leave this school. I left the school, but my heart is still in this bench on the same class. Sometimes I feel like I should come in school life, but it's not possible. It's an option that we have to go from this school. Sometimes I feel to come in this school, but there's no option. The college life is just a boring life. That's another life. How in school life teachers were caring about us. In college life, there's nothing like that. In college life, no one cares about us. They just ignore us. If we talk some teachers properly, they don't talk with us. How in school life the teachers were caring about us. They was talking with us. And in 10th standard, I was thinking like I should fail in 10th and I should sit in same class. But now I just passed the 10th and went in 11th standard. In school life I learned many more things, good things. The principal ma'am taught us many good things, the teachers and all. Sometimes I also feel to come in school, but there's no option. Another option is not there, so that's why in this school we have left and we went in the college. I can't adjust there in college. In school life, it was a habit that I have adjusted here, but that is impossible to adjust. I'm feeling to come in school life. I'm just enjoying a lot. I was just enjoying a lot in school life. The college life is just a boring. And in school life, how the teachers were enjoying with us, the trips and all. There is nothing in college. So I'm feeling to come once again in this school. Before dying, I will come just in this school and I think one day in this school the teacher is teaching in front of us and backside we are enjoying, we are talking. I'm just missing those days. I'm feeling to come in school once again because the caring nature is not there in college, how here all were caring. So with these few words I like to end my speech and thank you for all my teachers and principal ma'am to making me happy in this school and memorable days I have made in this school. Thank you so much.
To keep back the lights and flawless show of our program, I request the dignitaries, the honorable guests, to please move downwards to observe.
शिक्षण संस्था respected Professor Srinivas Kondi sir, Vice President of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha, most respected Mr. Mallikarjun Sargam sir, Joint Secretary of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha, Honorable Mr. Govardhan Kantam sir, Treasurer of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha, respected Mr. Vijay Kumar Gullapalli sir, Chairman of School Management Committee, Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha, our loving Principal Ma'am, Mr. Sajita Ajit Kumar Pillai and hardworking Vice Principal sir, Mr. Saurabha Srimanta Pujari sir, and the backbone of our school, the teachers, supportive parents and the little masters and angels of primary.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्न कुर्मे देव सर्व कार्येषु सर्वदा.
What are you doing? Why the puja now?
Before starting any auspicious occasion, we always remember God and seek His blessings.
Yes, and dance is a divine way to connect with God.
We are glad to begin our journey of this program with the elegant performance of Bharatnatyam by DR Bharatnatyam Troupe.
Give them a big round of applause.
Om Ganesha शास्त्रमये रतगजतुरगपदादि समानुत परिजनमण्डित लोकनुते हरिहर ब्रह्म सुपूजित सेवित तापनिवारिणि पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधर लक्ष्मी पालय माम् अयि तदवाहिनि मोहिनि चक्रिणि नादविवर्धिनि ज्ञानमये गुणगणवारिधि लोकहितैषिणि सकलस्वरवरगाननुते सकलसुरासुरदेव मुनीश्वर मानववन्दित पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि सन्तानलक्ष्मि पालय माम् जय कमलासनि सद्गतिदायिनि ज्ञानविकासिनि गानमये अनुदिनमर्चित कुङ्कुमधूसरभूषित वासित वाद्यनुते कनकधरा स्तुति वैभववन्दित शङ्कर देशिक मान्यपते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि विजयलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम् प्रणत सुरेश्वरि भारति भार्गवि शोकविनाशिनि रत्नमये मणिमयभूषित कर्णविभूषण शान्ति समावृत हास्यमुखे नवनिधिदायिनि कलिमलहारिणि काम्यफलप्रद हस्तयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि विद्या लक्ष्मि पालय माम् दिवि दिवि दिं दिवि दिं दिवि दिं दिवि कुङ्कुमिनाद सुपूर्णमये धुम धुम धुं धुम धुं धुम धुं धुम शङ्खनिनाद सुवाद्यनुते वेद पुराण इतिहास सुपूजित वैदिक मार्ग प्रदर्शयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधर लक्ष्मी पालय माम् जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधर लक्ष्मी पालय माम्
రుద్ర వీరభద్ర కైలాసాన నీకు సుభిక్షం సుభిక్షం నిన్ను నమ్మిన భక్తులకి దుర్భిక్షం 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 రుద్ర ఏ వీరభద్ర ఈ నమ్మని వాడి చేత చిక్కితే నిన్ను చిక్కు 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 రుద్ర చిక్కు 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 రుద్ర చిక్కు 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 ఓ కరణకంఠ నీ మాటంటే కొల్లుమంట చిక్కులకి 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 కన్నోళ్ళే రంట ఎట్ట పుట్టావో చెప్పమంట చిక్కులకి 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 ఓ కరణకంఠ నీ మాటంటే కొల్లుమంట కన్నోళ్ళే రంట ఎట్ట పుట్టావో
దీపపత్రం అంటే మోసా నీకు రుద్ర అందులో పెట్టి ఉంచుతాను రారా రుద్ర తిరుపతి తిరిగే కూడా కాటి రుద్ర ఇది యోగ మసలగానే కాదు దొంగని
By the